In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a transaction from QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial skill if you need to correct errors or manage your financial records accurately within QuickBooks. So let's dive in and get started with the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to log into QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your web browser, and it's best to use Chrome as it's often the most compatible with QuickBooks. Once you're there, locate the QuickBooks Online login page. You'll need to enter your username and password. Once you've done that, just click Sign In to access your dashboard. After logging in, your next move will be to navigate to the banking or transaction section. You can find this easily on the left-hand sidebar of your QuickBooks interface. It's labeled either as banking or transactions. Click on it and then select banking. This action will show you a list of all the bank accounts that you currently have connected to QuickBooks, making it easy to select the one you need to work with. The next step is to select the bank account that holds the transaction you're looking to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct bank account, as this will focus your search and prevent errors. Now comes the part where you need to find the specific transaction. You can scroll through the list manually if you want, or make use of the search bar at the top to locate your transaction by entering specific details like the amount or date. As you scroll or search, you'll notice that the transactions are usually categorized in two main ways, as in QuickBooks or for review. Make sure you're in the right section depending on where your transaction was categorized. Once you've located your transaction, click on it to open its details panel. This panel will give you more information about the transaction and allow you to perform various actions. Now it's time to delete the transaction. Within the details panel, look for the delete option. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the panel. Once you click delete, a prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this transaction. You'll want to confirm this action by clicking yes or OK. It's important to be certain at this stage because deleting a transaction is permanent. Consider if this transaction is something that might be needed for future reports or reconciliation. After you've confirmed the deletion, it's a good practice to verify that the transaction has indeed been removed. Refresh your transactions list by clicking the refresh icon or simply reloading the page. Then check to make sure that the deleted transaction no longer appears in your bank account feed. This final check is crucial to ensure that everything is updated and your records are correct. And there you have it. That's how you delete a transaction from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for following along, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.